In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Miro board map. Start by opening your Miro board, make sure you are on the board you want to work in, and give it a moment to fully load so everything appears correctly. This feature is especially helpful on large boards where content is spread out, because it lets you move around without constant scrolling and zooming. Next, move your attention to the bottom right corner of the screen. This area contains the controls for navigation and zoom. Look for the zoom level indicator, which usually shows a percentage number. It might say something like 100%, depending on how close you are to the board. Click that percentage icon to open the zoom menu. This menu gives you options related to how you view the board. In that list, click the option that says Show Minimap. As soon as you select it, a small preview window will appear in the corner of your screen. This is the board map, sometimes called the minimap, and it acts like a navigation overview of your entire canvas. Take a moment to look at that small preview window. You will see a miniature version of your whole board, and inside it there will be a rectangle that represents the area you are currently viewing. This rectangle is your current position on the board. To jump to a specific spot quickly, click any area inside the minimap. When you click, Miro will instantly move your main view to that location on the board. This is useful when you need to switch between sections, like moving from brainstorming notes to a diagram on the other side. If you want smoother control, click and drag the rectangle inside the map. As you drag it, your main view will pan across the board in the same direction. This makes it easy to scan through adjacent areas without losing your sense of where you are. Finally, use the minus and plus icons inside the map to zoom out or zoom in. Zooming out helps you understand the overall layout, while zooming in helps you focus on details and edit content precisely. That covers everything you need to know.